free car show.
There you go. Waving away. Oh. The wheel on the right hand side of the steering.
It's a vintage car.
There's another one.
Keep them coming.
Keep them coming.
Yeah. I think that's it. I don't know if I post it on YouTube, it might get many likes. Okay? From the car lovers. They will love it.
They might.
Ooh.
Water
My my Bahamas pictures. My Bahamas pictures. They got like 30,000 likes. You know, on YouTube.
Really?
On YouTube, they got 30,000 likes.
Oh my gosh. Loving this. So cute. I think it's over.
That's it.
Yeah.
Now these are some of the normal ones.